Спуск. Хоп. Ай-яй-яй. Ай. Ай. Спуск. Спуск. Хоп. Ай-яй-яй. Ай. 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 Ай.
Good. Sit. Sit.
Hop. Спуск. Спуск. Спусти. Спусти. Спусти.
Steady.
Zdravo. Okay. Design problem. One screw got loose. I didn't use the right screws. So the good side is actually the system works really well. As you can see it, inside is totally dry, and if I want to use it, I can use it here, but I have to come back with better screws. Screw it. I will go and jump without this suitcase. Okay, she's totally not impressed with her father.
Look, you see, I'm pulling my head out and not my ass. guys, I'm total amateur and beginner with kayak, but my instructor Igor said save your ass first, then your hips, then your chest, then your shoulder. Head is the last to be saved, and then you can make a recovery. So so we are going back to the river to try it properly. Vincha, river, glass, 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 glass. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Okay, let me show you what's the big deal. You see, here I have my cameras, and here I have rails, and here I have rails. So the best thing is I can actually pull this in my lap. I open, camera out, take pictures, close it, push it there, and then the pin, the safety pin, it's somewhere there. Anyway, I lock it. But there's one problem. The problem with kayak is that it's quite unstable. We have an expert here. Look at the jack. How heavy is that suitcase?
4 pounds.
4 pounds! I have no idea how much 4 pounds is, but what is in kilos?
Kilos? Like 10 kilos.
10 kilos! Okay, that's great, you see? They know the pounds, I have no. So now, with 4 pounds or 10 kilos on the top is even less stable. Woo! Okay. Let's get serious.
Yep.
Okay, to stem. Okay. Okay guys, this suitcase is really great solution. I'm very happy with it and how it works, and I would like to thanks to this collaboration to Rock, Vanya and Pat from California. Hi guys, Borut here, and Marian Dovic, my friend, he has a string quartet
yes.
band, and we made a cover page for his CD. The CD is, and look my setup. This is my landy with my dark box. Here is a sink, there is water, this is a dry surface, and water is coming from here, and as you see, it's dripping. So we can take a shower. And here is the setup. Look at that beautiful castle of Soteska. And here's a setup. Here's a setup. I use the boom tripod with this nylon string, with fishing string, and with the Kusrecha, how do you say viola?
It's a viola.
Viola. Okay, it's a viola. It's like violin but on steroids. And the camera, I've used my, what is this, Blaubel with a Linhof 135mm lens. I really need a wide angle lens to get the perspective, because without this perspective it doesn't work. We tried once with a violin in air. It was kind of like a bad Photoshop. It was just like pasted on unsharp image. So this is much better. Good guys. So when will the CD come out?
Well, hopefully this year. We are recording now.
This year. So start saving money to buy this CD and some top shit art. Ciao. I'm sorry guys. Yes, you can imagine this will be very eclectic vlog, super eclectic. You know, after the exhibition, I wasn't vlogging much. This is my, I'm so sorry, but I was really working hard. I had like a 5-day workshop for School of Arts in Nova Gorica. I drove a lot that week. And then after that, I had a job for a museum. Amazing 200-year-old pieces that were made in Dvor, just, what, 10 kilometers away from here. Casted iron, amazing stuff. I got vaccinated for the 2nd time. I'm very, very promoting the science. And science is telling us, do your job, get yourself protected, because it's not about you, it's about the society. Just as our parents has protected us from chicken pox, measles, whooping cough, mumps, paralysis, something, you know, polio and other stuff, you know, they did the vaccination. So, you know, I think we all should protect our children, our pregnant women, and our weak, you know, who cannot get vaccinated. I might lose some sympathy with some of my Patreons. That's how it is. That's what I firmly believe. And I did my job. And I advise you, everybody, I advise, do what the science says. Do what the medicine says. Oh, a great thing. In the meantime, you know, I got, look all these papers. I got so many papers because I sorted out the papers to get the loan for my cottage. So in September, I will start working with a new roof. Amazing stuff. About the collodion manual that I announced it. A collodion manual will definitely happen, but not this year. That's why I didn't take any pre-orders. I didn't want to get any money from that, because I plan to do this differently. I don't want to get like 3 manuals and then just rewrite and make a 4th one. I want to do tests. I want to do scientific tests. Let's, for instance, my next vlog will be how to do a wet plate at 30 degrees Celsius during the heat wave. If you like this channel, please, maybe you can support me through Patreon or buy a book of mine. That will be a great support. Thanks for watching, and may the